Okay.
Hello, very good evening, everyone. Welcome to the demo. This is regarding SAP Finance and Controlling demo. We'll start in some time. Okay, let others also join. We'll start on time. Okay, wait for 2-3 more minutes, and we will quickly start. Thanks everyone for joining.
Okay, sure.
Hello.
Okay, so let us start, everyone. Thanks for your patience. So this is regarding SAP Finance and Controlling demo. I'll show you the entire syllabus part. Also, we are going to understand about the concepts and opportunities in SAP. And I'll show you the server access as well. Server is for S4 HANA, high performance analytic application. If in case any doubts or queries, you can please ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me share the screen first. Okay, so just wanted to share the screen. This is the entire syllabus part of SAP. Also, I'm going to show you the concepts and opportunities in SAP. Keep yourself on mute, everyone. It will be helpful for me. And even the server access. This is for S4 HANA. HANA means high performance analytic application. Okay, so we will be understanding everything very well. If in case any doubts or queries, you can please ask me. I would like to show you the concepts and opportunities syllabus and even the server access as well. Now let us start. Now what is SAP? जान लीजिए SAP का मतलब है Systems Application and Production and Data Processing. It's a name of a company. Systems Application and Production and Data Processing. It's a name of company. Mainly, it is an ERP company. ERP क्या होता है? Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, it's a name of software. ERP is a name of software. SAP is a name of company. SAP is mainly user friendly.
क्या करना चलो कैसे पानी का हाँ हाँ
It is user friendly. It is liable. It is easy to process. Very important. It is affordable. Even the small scale companies and startup companies can afford SAP, so it is affordable as well. Then it is accurate and instant. You can call it as accurate and instant software. Also, it improves effectiveness of an organization. Very important part. And it is deployed globally. It's a multi-country, multi-currency software. You can call it as multi-country, multi-currency software. It is used across the world, not just in any particular country, but across the world. It is available in different languages and currencies as well. Multi-country, multi-currency software. Then, apart from this, we'll see the other details. Implement the all-in-one application for structuring and managing entire financial and accounting structure. Very important part. Also, become more organized with a better record management, improved financial reporting, and ease in the decision-making process. So all the details we are going to define and maintain here likewise. Apart from this, we can become more organized with a better record management, improve the financial reporting, and ease in the decision-making process. I'll show you. We prepare on yearly basis. We need to prepare different financial statement like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, and even in SAP, we can prepare it country-wise. For US, for UK, for India, and for different countries, we can define. So US version, you can see that here. Financial statement items we can define. So assets, liabilities, and equity, everything. So under this, we can define mainly chart of accounts for a company. So you can see that. Okay, with the help of chart of anyone, can you tell me what is chart of accounts? Any idea? Anyone has any idea? What is chart of accounts? So chart of account is a list of general ledger accounts with the help of which we can prepare financial statement like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, and even the other details as well. Okay, as per the requirement of the country, we can prepare different types of accounts over here. So US, UK, India, different countries versions we can define and maintain here. So chart of accounts बहुत जरूरी है बनाना, with the help of which we can prepare all the details. Apart from this, now finance managers can compute entire financial condition of the business in a real-time base through SAP Finance and Controlling. Okay, so this is the important part we can define. Next one here, career path for SAP. You can check that this is the career path for SAP. This is important one. After completion of the course, you can become an associate consultant, senior and principal consultant. Importantly, also solution architect as well. This is the hierarchy you can call, or it's a career path for any SAP consultant. Okay, so you can, if you are a fresher, you can start from entry level, intermediate level, consultant level, and expert level. Also, you can start from junior management level, middle management, senior management, and higher management level as well. These are the career opportunities for any SAP consultant. You can read it. It will be helpful for you to make a career out of this industry. Then, apart from this, I would like to show you the other details. What are the important details for finance and controlling? See, starting with FICO. FICO means finance and controlling part. So, finance and controlling, these are the two different modules. Finance is mainly useful for balance sheet preparation. External requirements are being fulfilled with finance. So, preparation of a balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, fund flow statement. Also, legal and statutory account, standard ledgers, master data integration with the controlling. So these are the details which are being defined with the help of finance. Controlling part. What is controlling? Under the controlling, we can define internal requirements mainly, cost center reports, sales and profit analysis, management accounts, managing budget expenditure for a company. So these are the different types of we can define with the help of finance and controlling part. Okay. So this is how we can define all the details and different reports as well. Now let us see the syllabus entirely. We are going to start from the beginning. इसमें हम लोग एकदम शुरुआत से स्टार्ट करेंगे. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP Systems Application and Production Data Processing. Also, we are going to learn the FICO part. FICO means Finance and FICO, Finance and Controlling, accounting entries in SAP. So different accounting entries are like journal entries we are going to learn in SAP, how to define and maintain the journal entries. Also the types of SAP projects. So there are 5 different types of SAP projects and they are implementation project, development project, enhancement project, like that. So different types of projects we can define and maintain under the SAP. So under the basics part, we can define and maintain the projects here. Apart from that, the first topic, organization structure. What is that now? So under the organization structure, we can define and maintain. What is company? So definition of company. Company means it's a group of a company. For example, it comes here. So how we are going to define the details? See, SPRO is the transaction code we need to do. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. Enter here, give the details here. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define a company. So what is company? Company means a group of company. Okay, most importantly, the company is an organizational structure or organizational unit in accounting that allows you to organize your enterprise to meet certain legal requirements in a country or a region. Mainly under company, we are going to define different company, Tata Group of Company, Mahindra Group of Company, Reliance Industries Limited, likewise. Okay. So basically under the group of company, we can define different group of companies. Apart from that, company code. So what is company code? Under one group of company, we can define different company codes. Likewise, for example, under Tata Group, we have Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Power, Tata Communications Limited, likewise. Okay. So different group of companies we can define and maintain under group of companies. One by one, we can define the details. Company code. Even under Bajaj Group of company, we can have Bajaj Motors, Bajaj Electricals, Bajaj Finance, likewise. One group and different company codes. Also, we can assign a company code to company. Assignment part is what? Basically, under one group, there are different company codes, but ultimately all the company codes belong to one group only. It means that, so we can define and maintain different company codes under one group of company. So it is very much important for us to define and maintain the details. Then we have a business area. So what is business area? Business area is a main business of a company. For example, we have a geography-wise and product-wise business area. Geography-wise business areas are like, for example, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. These are the branch offices of a company at a different locations. And product-wise are like software, hardware, manufacturing, automobile, pharmaceutical. So different products we are going to define and maintain under the business areas. Then we have a functional area. So under functional areas, we can define different departments in a company, like production, sales and distribution, admin, research and development, receivable, payable, general ledger. These are the different departments we need to maintain. It is a segregation of the areas. Also, we can define and maintain different segments. So what is segment? Under the segments part, we can define different types of segments for a company, like international segment, domestic segment, urban segment, rural segment, likewise. Okay. So different types of segments we can define and maintain as per the requirement of organization. Then we have a credit control area to be defined and maintained. Yeah. हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में होंगे अपने क्लासेस. यस, डेफिनेटली. सो क्रेडिट कंट्रोल एरिया का मतलब होता है आपको क्रेडिट देना. यू नीड टू गिव क्रेडिट टू योर कस्टमर्स. See, not all the customers will get the credit, but we need to give credit to the like your main customers. For example, you can give credit to mainly your super stockists, authorized distributors, which are really in need of getting credit. Okay, through that we can give a credit to our different customer groups mainly. We can give credit to different customer groups. Okay. Then company code, we can assign to credit control area and segments part. Under this also, we are going to define international, domestic, urban, rural segments. Okay. So likewise, one by one, all the topics we are going to define and maintain over here. FM area, that is financial management area. So under financial management area, we can define and maintain the currencies of a country. For example, for India, it is INR. For UK, GBP. USA, US dollar. And different country has got a different currency. So we are going to define those currencies over here as per requirement. Then next very important topic is financial accounting global settings. Under this, we can activate the new general ledger accounting for a company. Activation of general ledger accounting will mean that we need to maintain the activation. So every year we need to activate a fiscal year. Fiscal year is a financial year. Example, in India, we define April to March. I'll show you. See here. Under financial accounting global settings part, we can define and maintain over here. Under the ledgers part, fiscal year and posting period. So every year we need to define and maintain a fiscal year. So posting periods are 12 because 12 months and 4 special posting periods. 4 special posting periods are 4 quarters. Quarter is a 3 months time. So we have 4 quarters in a line. Example, like April to June, July to September, October to December, and January to March. These are the 4 different quarters we can define and maintain. Okay, so likewise, we can define the details over here. For example, April to March is the fiscal year variant we can define and maintain as per the requirement. July to June, October to September. It totally depends on country to country, how we are going to define and maintain the details. Likewise. Then, apart from this, we have the other details we can define, maintain a fiscal year variant, that is done. Assignment of company code to fiscal year variant. Also, we can maintain a posting key. Posting key is a 2-digit numerical key being defined and maintained as per the organization requirement. Like, for example, we have posting keys for ADKMS. Now, what is that? A for assets, D for debtors or customers, K for vendors or creditors, M for material, and S for general ledger account. Okay, so as per requirement. So requirement के अनुसार हम लोग posting keys अलग अलग बना सकते हैं. We can prepare and maintain posting keys as per requirement of a company. Also, the similar kind of document types we can define and maintain as per the requirement of organization. Then we can define document number ranges for a company. Number range means again from particular document to the other document. We can define a number range. Also, then tolerance group also we can define. Tolerance is basically a limit we can define for a company. Tolerance group is basically a limit we are going to define. So employees can prepare billing towards the employee towards the this one customers for till that particular amount, like 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, whichever is the limit we have given. Employees are allowed to make a billing till that limit. Then, as we have seen, the general ledger. Under general ledger, the main important part is defining chart of account. Chart of account is a list of general ledger account being prepared in order to maintain the financial statements for a company. Trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet. Mainly under the account groups, we can define liabilities and asset, income and expenditure. With the help of which liabilities and asset, we can prepare financial statements as balance sheet. Income and expenditure is same बनाएंगे trading and profit and loss account for a company. Then we also need to define and maintain retained earnings account and even accounting entries, and lastly the financial statements. Okay, so these are the compulsory entries we need to prepare. Okay, under taxation part, I'll show you. Anyone knows what are the different things comes under taxation? Anyone has any idea? Under taxation, what are the different details comes? Okay, so under the taxation, we are going to define input tax, output tax. Okay, I'll show you. So what is input tax? First of all, we need to understand input tax means tax on a purchases. Okay, input tax का मतलब है purchases के ऊपर जो tax होता है वो. A tax that is charged by the vendor. Vendor means a person or a company from whom we buy goods on a credit basis. It is called as vendor. Okay, so we have a domestic vendor, import vendor, one-time vendor. Domestic is a local vendor, import vendor is a foreign vendor, and one-time vendor is basically if the goods are not available with the domestic vendor and import vendor, we have to go for one-time vendor as well. Okay, a tax that is charged by the vendor is called as input tax. Input tax is always an asset for a company. Why it is so? Because a claim for refund of the deductible portion of input tax can be submitted to tax authorities. मतलब जो वेंडर हमें टैक्स लगाएगा उसका हम टैक्स क्रेडिट ले सकते हैं. जो भी टैक्स हमने भरा है उसको आप वापस गवर्नमेंट से ले सकते हैं. बिकॉज इट्स एन एसेट फॉर अ कंपनी, सो यू कैन क्लेम इट बैक फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. इनपुट टैक्स को आप वापस क्लेम करके ले सकते हो कंपनी से, गवर्नमेंट से, सॉरी. ओके, देन आउटपुट टैक्स आपका आएगा. इनपुट टैक्स एसेट, आउटपुट टैक्स इज अ लाइबिलिटी. व्हाई इट इज सो? बिकॉज इट इज एक्जैक्टली अपोजिट टू इनपुट टैक्स. अ टैक्स लेविड ऑन कस्टमर्स at all levels of production and trade. Output tax represents a tax liability. Output tax is a tax liability for a company. Output tax mainly आपका सेल के ऊपर आता है and it is levied on customers. Okay, at all levels, right from production to service provider to wholesaler to retailer to customer. हर एक स्टेज के ऊपर आपको टैक्स भरना है. आउटपुट टैक्स इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स होता है जो कि जीएसटी के रूप में आप चार्ज करते हैं. जीएसटी में मेनली गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, इसके 4 प्रकार है: सीजीएसटी, एसजीएसटी, आईजीएसटी, यूटीजीएसटी. सेंट्रल गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, स्टेट गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, इंटीग्रेटेड गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरी गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स. These are the different types of taxes we can define and maintain under the taxation part. Okay, so taxation mainly we are going to define. Output tax represents a tax liability. Input tax asset, output tax liability. एक बार भर दिया आपको वापस नहीं मिलेगा output tax. Apart from that, so these are the important topics for us to be defined and maintained. Apart from that, after GST part, accounts payable we are going to learn. Payable is what? Please understand, payable is a liability. So we are going to define and maintain the payable part in a company environment here. Now, under the payable, we are going to define mainly payable will be integrated with material management. So we are going to learn the integration between FI to MM, finance to material management. Integration also we will be learning. Create vendor account group. So we have domestic vendor, import vendor, one-time vendor. Domestic is a local vendor, import vendor is a foreign vendor, and one-time vendor. One-time vendor means basically if the goods are not available with the domestic and import vendor, we have to go for one-time vendor as well. Payable आपका liability है, so balance sheet के liability side में आएगा. Okay, इसमें देखिए पूरा vendor account, number ranges for vendor accounts we can define and maintain, and also we can define the different details like sundry creditors account. Also we can define again यहाँ पे भी आएगा आपका tolerance. Here अभी देखो यहाँ पे tolerance mainly क्यों आता है? So here what are we going to do is that we are going to deal in a foreign currency. So at the time of dealing in a foreign currency, it will be very important for us to define and maintain the tolerance group for vendors. Vendor payment term. So we are going to define and maintain the vendor payment terms like manual payment term, automatic payment program. We can define, then create vendor master data. So we are going to create different types of vendor master data for a company. Okay, मतलब business partner हम define करेंगे. Business partner is a person or a company who has got a business interest in a company. Business partner. Okay, who has got a business in a interest in a company. Business partner can be your customer, your vendor, your employee, your sales agent. Anyone can be a business partner. The person who brings business for a company will be termed as a business partner. Okay, so vendor master data हम define करेंगे इसमें पूरा. Automatic payment program, ये क्या है? With the help of APP, that is automatic payment program, we can fetch all the due and overdue invoices for the customers and vendors, and we can make a payment at the same time for the same. Automatic payment program configuration part we can define and maintain as per the requirement of organization. Okay, so this is the important part we can define and maintain as per the requirement. APP. इसके बाद हम define करेंगे P2P as well. Automatic payment program and P2P. P2P क्या होता है? Procure to pay process. Right from purchases till the payment part we can define procure to pay process. It involves purchasing till the payment. Right from purchases, and it's a 9-step procedure. APP is a 6-step procedure, automatic payment program, and procure to pay is a 9-step procedure. It starts from MRP. MRP is material requirement planning, then purchase requisition, request for quotation, vendor selection, then purchase order, goods receipt invoice, MIGO, MIRO entry. MIGO मतलब movement in goods out, MIRO movement in a receipt out. और लास्ट में आपका आएगा परचेस वाउचर. तो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रोसीजर है, एंड सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल डेफिनेटली आस्क्ड यू इन एन इंटरव्यू एज वेल. See, whenever you appear for an interview in terms of SAP or any other this one, you need to understand the conceptual clarity. Practical will come much later, but if you understand the concept and if you have got a good knowledge of the software and have a good communication skills as well, it will be very easy for you to clear the interview. तो आपके लिए इंटरव्यू क्लियर करना ये 2-3 चीजें बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल आपका, आपका सॉफ्टवेयर का नॉलेज एंड अकाउंटेंसी का थोड़ा सा बेस होना बहुत जरूरी है. सो इट विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड क्लियर द इंटरव्यू एज वेल. ओके, अकाउंट्स पेएबल is basically a liability for a company because we need to pay to the vendor. Exactly opposite to payable, we have a receivable part. Under the receivable, we are going to define different types of customer accounts. So domestic customer, export customer, and one-time customer. Domestic is a local customer, export is a foreign customer, and one-time customer is basically if the goods are not domestic customer, export customer, one-time. One-time का मतलब बहुत रेयर कस्टमर आपके पास आता है, राइट? एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट टू पेएबल. एंड रिसीवेबल आपका एसडी के साथ इंटीग्रेट होगा. एसडी क्या है? सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Okay, so FI to MM integration we will learn. FI to SD also we will learn because these are the integrations which will happen in a large manner. ये होता ही होता है. So customer groups and types we can maintain. Okay, domestic domestic export and one-time customers. Assign number ranges to the customer account groups. Also, customer payment terms. Payment term क्या होता है customer का? तो अलग अलग, जैसे कि how the customer will make us a payment through check, through bank EFT. Likewise, how exactly customer master record we can maintain, and dunning procedure. ये सबसे important part है. Dunning क्या होता है? Dunning is a reminder to the customer in order to make a payment on time against the due bills. With the help of dunning, we can remind our customers in order to make a payment on time against the due bills. जैसे कि हमने किसी बैंक से समझो लोन लिया, एग्जाम्पल. सो बैंक क्या करेगा? हमें हर 25-26 तारीख को मैसेज भेजेगा. Like for example, dear customer, your loan EMI is due on the last day of this month, so please make necessary arrangement to make a payment on time against the due bills. Okay, तो आपको टाइम पे भरने के लिए मैसेज आएगा. तो ये डनिंग हो गया. इसके बाद आपका आता है बैंक अकाउंटिंग पार्ट, जो कि बहुत जरूरी है. अंडर द बैंक अकाउंटिंग वी कैन डिफाइन एंड मेंटेन दिस वन, क्रिएशन ऑफ अ बैंक की. ओके, बैंक की देखो अभी इट्स अ 16 डिजिट अल्फा न्यूमेरिक यूनिवर्सल कोड which is necessary to be maintained and which is useful for across the world. It will give your bank information, area, and country information as well. Define house bank. House bank is a bank through which we can make a payment to our customers and vendors, and one company code can have different house banks as well. One company code can have different house banks as well, like private sector bank, public sector bank, credit cooperative society, and even we can have different types of banks for a company as well. Okay, so likewise we can define and maintain different types of banks. Also, we can maintain global settings for electronic bank statement. EBS क्या होता है? Global settings for electronic bank statement. Electronic bank statements for a company. So मैन्युअली भी हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं स्टेटमेंट को, और इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली भी कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज टोटली डिपेंड ऑन अस हाउ वी वांट टू मेक अ स्टेटमेंट्स, ऑल्सो ट्रेजरी मैनेजमेंट पार्ट। इसमें देखो लॉक बॉक्स आपको डिफाइन करना है। लॉक बॉक्स क्या होता है? Log box is a special depository account opened in a bank for the customers to make a payment on time against the due date. So it is called as log box payment. We are going to maintain and define the log box. Also, define log box posting data. Okay, so posting data आपको maintain करना जरूरी है. Defining the source symbols for a company likewise. And asset accounting. Mainly asset accounting में आपका आएगा chart of depreciation. It's a decrease in the value of asset due to wear and tear. Depreciation, आप फिक्स्ड एसेट पे चार्ज करोगे. फिक्स्ड एसेट्स आर द एसेट विच वी आर यूजिंग मोर देन अ ईयर. इट इज कॉल्ड एज फिक्स्ड एवरीथिंग. So like for example, plant and machinery, land and building, furnitures and fixtures, vehicle, everything. So we are going to define the depreciation and different methods of depreciation as well. Specify account determination, create screen layout rules, defining the asset classes. And last important part is investment management. We are going to define different types of investment like asset under construction, also investment in shares, bonds, debentures, likewise. So different types of investment management parts we can define and maintain here. So here investment profiles, investment plan profiles, and budget categories also we can define. Okay, so this is the entire syllabus part. The entire duration of the course is almost 2.5 to 3 months. It's a 44 to 50 hours of a course. Okay, so we have a classes on every alternate day as well, and weekdays, weekend batches, morning, afternoon, evening. As per your time convenience, you can join. Okay, you will receive the server access. This is for S4 HANA. You will receive the access. HANA is high performance analytic application. High performance analytic application. And apart from this, you can certainly be able to learn the different details as per the requirement of organization. Okay, so theoretical part, practical part will go hand in hand. Also, apart from this, will also help you to prepare for examination, interview, and your resume as well. Okay, so right from basics till advanced part we will be doing. Any question anyone has, you can please ask me. The entire syllabus we have seen, all the other details also we have looked. Any other information you would like to know?
Hello.
Hello.
Madhura this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to provide hands-on experience on this?
Yes, hands-on experience.
Okay, no problem. And what about interviews? Are we going to like you are going to arrange the interviews or like we are self-interviews are done?
No, we will be arranging interviews. See, basically, we have a separate placement team. They will help you to get placed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Pranav.
Anyone has any information?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Pranav. Dheeraj, basically this side. So,
Yeah.
Pranav, during a presentation, we've seen that there is a two part. One is FI and one is CO, which is making the concept FI CO module, right? So, FI part, the content which he is going to cover during this session of 45 to 50 hours of classes. But what exactly about the CO? There is nothing which we disclosed.
Yeah. Controlling part also we are going to learn. I'll show you controlling. Regarding the controlling part, general controlling, cost center accounting, internal orders, activity-based costing, COPA, COPA, controlling and profitability analysis. Also, product cost controlling, profit center accounting. Everything regarding controlling will cover. Yes. This is the important part we are going to cover. So, finance and controlling we will cover. Yes, both the parts we will be covering.
Okay. And there is any kind of syllabus content like table wise which we are going to receive the detailed like which we discuss. These are the concepts we are going to discuss, or there is a detailed sheet. Okay, this will be part of FI syllabus. This is a part of CO, and this is something you are going to get.
Yes, you will get the detailed books, PPT presentation, and the detailed notes as well. Everything you will receive.
Okay. And this is a daily basis, 1 hour classes every day. I mean, like you said, alternate or the weekly or the morning.
It totally depends on you. Like whichever is your convenient timing, you can join as per that time. So we do have a Monday, Wednesday, Friday batches. Apart from that, morning, afternoon, evening, and weekdays classes also be there. So whichever you feel comfortable.
Sorry. What would be the timing on weekdays?
Morning, afternoon, and evening, both.
Okay.
And so these are all online, right? And
Online.
what will be the batch strength for
And
FICO
see, basically, it totally depends on management. You can talk to customer support team; they will guide you. You can have a
Okay.
word with your relationship manager; they will guide you. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, relationship manager is the best person. They will guide you, and the batches are like going on. No problem. You can join anytime, morning, afternoon, evening, as per your time convenience. Like most of the participants are like they are doing a job, so it will be convenient for them for evening or even morning batches. So it can be adjusted. Even Saturday, Sunday, morning, afternoon, evening batches are there. You can join anytime. It totally depends on your convenience.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other information you require, please let me know. I'll guide you.
Pranav,
Huh.
is there any details about fee structure?
Fee structure, you can talk to relationship manager. They will guide you.
Sure. Thank
Okay.
you.
Regarding
Okay.
the fees, you can anytime get in touch with them. They will definitely guide you. Fee structure and everything is available. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
And also there are off classes as well. I mean, apart from online mode, because they Henry R, when I was just going through the website, they do have also the centers in, I mean, all over.
It is better to join online because you will have a recording and you
Okay.
can repeat whatever times you want. So I personally feel that online would be the better option for you because you can keep the recording for your future purpose as well.
Okay.
And the practical, because every day you need to visit the center will be hectic for you. So rather than that, you can join the classes as per your time convenience and in your house only. You need to have a laptop or your desktop, anything, any old desktop will also do, no problem. You will get the server access and you can do the practice online only.
And this is a duration will be 45. I mean, if 1 hour daily, then I mean, approximate 1.5, 2 months approximate it will cover.
Two
If
and a
it's
half
go
months
on
it will
daily,
take. Yeah, it will
two and
take
a
two
half
and a
months.
half months. 45 hours are the standard one. Even
Okay.
it might go 50 to 52 hours as well. Absolutely no problem. It totally depends on your understanding.
Okay. Right. Okay. And the server access will be also, is it for the same duration, let's say 2.5
Huh,
months, or
huh.
during the time
Uh,
when, right?
Server access will be given to you, no problem. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Anyone has any other question, you can please ask me. You can also
Hi
get in
प्रणव,
touch with your. Yes, ma'am.
दिस साइड वर्षा.
Mhm.
एक्चुअली बैच कब स्टार्ट होने वाली है?
बैचेस मैम स्टार्ट होंगी. आप एक बार रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर से बात कीजिए ना.
ओके. और
Who is the
इसमें
relationship?
मंथ एंड प्रोसेस वगैरह वो सब लेंगे? ईयर एंड प्रोसेस क्या होता है वो? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
मंथ एंड प्रोसेस वगैरह वो सब लेंगे हम?
Everything,
स्टार्ट होता है वो?
Yes, everything will be covered. Yes. In
ओके.
terms of finance, accountancy, controlling part, everything will be covered. And also, we will be giving you detailed notes. We will help you to prepare for interview. Like your mock interview sessions will be there. You will receive LMS access, ma'am, Learning Management System. So in that case, we are going to not just going to cover the regular syllabus, but also the different details. Like for example, the interview preparation, exam preparation, then also everything like your communication skill preparation, everything will be covered in that. Yeah. Okay. Any other question anyone has?
Sir, I have completed my graduation in BSc. So, am I eligible for this SAP course?
Yeah, definitely. Why not, sir? Definitely. It is ideal for freshers as well as experienced professionals because if you see that right now almost 68% market is being covered by SAP. SAP has got a greatest advantage and scope also great.
Sir, can AI replace SAP?
AI is a part of SAP.
Okay.
SAP के अंदर AI तो आता ही है ना, तो ये इसमें ये नहीं है. It's not like that कि replace करने की जरूरत नहीं, उसमें आता ही है. See, most of the companies like there are several companies who are using SAP के अंदर AutoCAD अलग अलग आपकी चीज ये जो है सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर रहे हैं ना वो, तो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन.
So do I need any other skill other than SAP for job?
No. Your communication skills, your knowledge about the SAP, and most importantly, you should know the particular concept. That is very important. That's it. As per the requirement of organization, job description will
So
help you.
SAP has many modules like FICO, MMSD. So which one is good for me?
FICO, because we are going to learn the MM and SD included into this.
Okay, all three. Okay.
It will be a proper integration because the account receivable is integrated with SD and accounts payable will be integrated with material management. So it is going to be an ideal one for you. You can certainly be able to learn all the three modules over here.
So is there any placement after course completion?
Yeah, we do have a separate placement team for the same. Yes, you can certainly be able to expect a good placement after completion of the course. Why not?
So what is the average package anyone can expect after course completion?
For that, you need to talk to customer support team. They will guide you. We do have a tie-up with several companies.
Like?
Help you to understand. Yeah. Okay, any other questions we have? Then we will wind up the session. If in case any other questions, you can please ask me. I hope you understood everything. Regarding the detailed syllabus, like I have shown you all the detailed syllabus part, but the timing and the other details, you can talk to your relationship manager. They will guide you and you can join the batch whichever is convenient for you. हिंदी इंग्लिश में बैचेस है अपने पास, तो आप कोई भी बैच ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा.
Who is the relationship manager, Pranav?
Customer support number, the person who called you to join this session.
I don't think nobody's called. Basically, this was just a SMS. I think I just raised queries. So it was just SMS, and I just used the link which was sent on SMS.
Fine. So you can talk to customer support team, and they will guide you regarding the timing and even the commercial like fees and everything, other details as well. बाकी सारी चीजें वो आपको गाइड कर देंगे.
ठीक है.
Pranav,
हाँ.
how would you recommend this SAP course for accounts payable professional?
It is an ideal one because we are going to learn, see, under accounts payable, we are going to define procure to pay procedure, also automatic payment programming, and ultimately it will be integrated with MM. तो ये अकाउंट्स पेबल के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट आपका P2P का है, ऑटोमेटिक पेमेंट प्रोग्राम और MM. मतलब आपका रोल बहुत बड़ा होता है. सबसे ज्यादा अगर आप जॉब देखोगे इसमें AP, AR एंड GL इन तीनों के लिए अवेलेबल है. So you can certainly go to make a career out of this industry. After the completion of the course, your main job is to prepare SOP, standard operating procedure, also business blueprint. आपका डेटा एंट्री का काम नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं कि आपको बैठ के एंट्रीज बनाना है. You need to get in touch with your this one clients, and you need to understand their requirement and you need to provide a solution. You will be working in a team and different projects. कई projects मैम 2, 3, 4, 5 साल भी चलते हैं. So it totally depends on company to company what all projects you are working on. And here we are going to learn finance, controlling, integration between MM and SD part as well. So it will be an ideal situation for you if you learn this course. You can work online, work from home opportunities are also there. So there is no dearth of opportunities after completion of the course.
Okay. What is MM?
Material management.
Okay.
Material management is integrated with accounts payable.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So now, MM means in short P2P process, right?
Procure to pay, right?
Procure to pay. Okay.
Main important part for MM is procure to pay. Yes.
तो उसका भी हमें हैंड्स ऑन होना
Product based companies, automobile companies, product based companies, automobile companies, mostly these companies use MM. MM also plant maintain. There are several things involved in this. So don't worry, we are going to learn that. Yeah. Okay, chalo. So we'll stop here for today. Thanks everyone for joining. If in case any questions or queries, you can talk to customer support team. Your relationship manager will guide you.
Okay. Thank you, Pranav.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, thank you. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Thank you for your precious time and thanks for joining. Yeah, Varsha ma'am, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for joining everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.